The Internet Computer, ICP, reached a significant milestone on May 10, 5 years of continuous mainnet operation. During this anniversary, DFINITY founder Dominic Williams announced Cloud Engines, a new framework that positions the Internet Computer as a sovereign cloud platform. This marks a major strategic shift for the project. Cloud Engines allows developers to deploy fully autonomous cloud environments within the ICP protocol. Apps and services can now run without the need for traditional infrastructure teams, a claim that could challenge current cloud providers. The framework is designed to be tamper-proof and secure against standard infrastructure attacks. Developers can configure nodes across multiple regions and even integrate with existing cloud giants like Oz and Azure. Sovereignty is a key feature. Builders can lock their cloud engines to specific jurisdictions, like Europe for GDPR compliance, or entirely within countries like Switzerland or Pakistan. This adds a layer of regulatory flexibility and control. The announcement came alongside a notable surge in on-chain activity. ChainSpec data showed ICP transaction fees dropped to a 90-day low, while daily transactions reached over 335 million on May 8. This suggests growing adoption or a shift in user behavior. Cloud Engines is positioned as the next phase of the Internet Computer. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Protocol: Williams emphasized the project's $500 million in R&D spending and its pivot toward the mainstream cloud market. The target is the trillion-dollar cloud industry by 2030. This is a bold move, pushing ICP beyond typical Layer 1 metrics like throughput or gas fees. Instead, it's aiming to compete with traditional cloud providers by offering a decentralized alternative. The framework is also multi-chain compatible, supporting stablecoins and decentralized exchanges. SNS orchestration is part of the build, which means these engines can operate autonomously without manual oversight. This is a significant step toward reducing operational overhead. The stakes are high. If successful, Cloud Engines could redefine how decentralized infrastructure is built and managed. It could also open up new revenue streams for ICP stakeholders and attract enterprise adoption. But there are uncertainties. The cloud market is dominated by centralized players with established infrastructure and customer trust. Convincing businesses to move to a decentralized alternative will require proving reliability and performance. The next signal to watch is whether early adopters begin deploying services on Cloud Engines. If the platform sees real-world usage and enterprise partnerships, it could signal broader acceptance. For now, the Internet Computer is pushing the boundaries of what a blockchain can do. Cloud Engines represents a strategic pivot and a test of its long-term viability in a competitive market. The framework's ability to scale by adding nodes for queries or splitting engines for updates is a technical advantage. This ensures that the system can adapt to growing demands without downtime. Additionally, the system's tamper-proof nature and resistance to infrastructure attacks could appeal to developers and enterprises seeking secure and reliable cloud solutions. The integration of stablecoins and DEX support through SNS orchestration further enhances the framework's utility, enabling autonomous financial operations alongside application deployment. The sovereignty aspect is particularly compelling. By allowing most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Regions to be locked to specific jurisdictions. Cloud Engines addresses regulatory compliance concerns that have historically hindered blockchain adoption in enterprise settings. This could make the platform attractive to businesses operating in highly regulated industries or those seeking to avoid data localization challenges. The next key signal will be whether developers and enterprises begin building and deploying on Cloud Engines. If the platform gains traction, it could signal a broader shift in how cloud infrastructure is perceived and adopted. For now, the Internet Computer is redefining what a blockchain can achieve, and Cloud Engines is a bold step toward that future.